चांदा टुकड़ा वो तेरी ऐनक तेरे शू निकले करंट तेरे हाथों
What's going on, guys? I'm in the garage. It's a beautiful, actually I'm going to say beautiful day. It's a beautiful day because we've got our health and everything. We've got our family, loved ones, everything. Happy days. Or you guys out there suffering with coronavirus and everything, my heart goes out to you. I'm sorry. See that every time I start a video or something has to go off. Either the telephone has to go off or the compressor has to go off or something. But anyway, yeah, what it is, I've got a little bone to pick with you guys out there, all you mechanics out there, or some of you mechanics out there, right? Another thing before I say that, go lean, go home, it's back again. I need to lose a bit of weight because I've been doing the eating, and yeah, so we need to lose a bit of weight. Yeah, lose a bit of weight, 1 stone. If I lose 1 stone, I'll be happy. Right, thing is, I've got a Toyota Avensis here, yeah, a 2010-11 kind of thing, Toyota Avensis. I'm not going to show you the reg, but it's a 2 litre or 2.2 litre diesel kind of thing, right? And the thing is, right, it's been to so many garages, right? You guys out there, you know who I'm talking about, right? It's been to so many garages. It's been diagnosed by main dealer and everything, and they said it could be the head gasket, it could be a crack in the head, it could be the it could be anything. It's overheating, yeah, right? Okay, it could be the water pump, whatever, right? Yeah. They didn't even check the oil cooler. Water mixing up with oil. The thing is, the car's not overheating, right? If the car was overheating, I would say okay, water pump, maybe thermostat, maybe oil, maybe the head gasket, cracking the head, something like that, right? The oil cooler. Why didn't you not check the oil cooler? Well, anyway, I sent. You can see here. Everything's off. Sent the oil cooler for testing, and guess what? It is the oil cooler, right? It's turned out and said it's the oil cooler, knackered, mixing up with the oil and everything. Happy days. Let's fix this car. R4UL TV, sorting you guys out. No messing. Let's go. What's happening, guys? I'm at home. Lazy day today, right? Go lean, go home diet has started, by the way. Look, I'll show you. I've got the satsumas, the sweet clems, healthy fruit, and I've got Hannah here with me. Let's go. Right, we're sat here. I've got my United t-shirt on. United t-shirt. Let's go. And United's gonna play today 4 o'clock against Arsenal. Come on, let's do the Gooners. Let's do the Gooners. We did Leipzig midweek, so let's do the Gooners this time. Let's go. What's happening, guys? I'm just going back from work now. As you can see, I'm still dirty when you change and everything. Hannah and Harris don't know it's fireworks at Bonfire night today, and we're going to have a little fireworks display, only a little tiny one because of lockdown and everything. Normally we go to Keithley and we have a fireworks display there with all the kids and everything, but because of lockdown we can't do it this year. So a little one just for Hannah and Harris and me and Roxanne behind our house, you know, just have a little lockdown bonfire night. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, Hannah, what are you doing? Yeah, don't worry, I'm not gonna think. Whoa, Hannah.
Look.
Oh, it's a purple one, hooray!
Yay! Where's Harry's gone? Ooh.
What's happening, guys? It's a beautiful day here, nice crisp wintry morning, and the sun's out. Guns are not coming out because it is cold. Right? Thing is, lockdown 2.0 has started, okay, and to be honest with you, last time the lockdown started, there was hardly a single car on the road, okay. It was absolutely dead quiet. This time round, I don't think anybody cares. Nobody cares this time round. I know it's lockdown and everything, but I don't think anybody gives a crap, basically. Yeah? Anyway, this is how it looks out. Guys, it's Sunday morning here, and I've just had a little surprise from one of my brothers here, my family friend. His son Neeraj has had twins, right? So, oh my god, congratulations, Neeraj. Right, yeah, so congratulations. There's pink and blue there, right? So I'm guessing he's had twins, and it's a boy and a girl, right? Obviously. Yeah, obviously, yeah. So congratulations. So check that out. Thanks to Soil myself, Neeraj. Well done, congratulations. and the hard work starts from now. Sleepless nights. Get ready. Alright guys, I've just woken up Monday morning and I'm going to take Hannah to school and everything. Go lean, go home diet is back. That's it. The go lean, go home diet is back. Hannah's here as well. Have you had your breakfast, Hannah?
I know.
I don't know. Anyway, this is what we're having for breakfast. Go lean, go home. Let's go. Hannah, do you want to describe what Daddy having for breakfast? What's that one I'm having?
They're having Weetabix with a blueberry and some honey. You're going to add some milk inside. And go home.
Stay tuned guys for Hannah's takeover, the Hannah's vlog. What she's doing this time round is she's entering a Christmas card competition, aren't you Hannah? Yeah? She's entering a Christmas card competition and hopefully we'll win.
Do you think we are going to
If we do win, they're gonna mass produce. It's from the MP of Ashton-under-Lyne, isn't it, Hannah?
Yeah.
Right? She said to design a Christmas card, and if she wins, that's it. They're gonna make a Christmas card for next year. Let's go! Let's do it! Let's go! Let's go! So yeah, that's it, guys. And start of another week. So let's start another weekly vlog. End of last week's vlog. So all I'm gonna say, guys, is like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, lockdown 2.0 has started, right? And the thing is, we can't really go anywhere, do anything. Bored. I haven't got the will to live. But yeah, we have to still stay positive. Right, stay positive and yeah, stay strong. And COVID-19, you know what? We're gonna beat you, right? You got the upper hand at the moment, but we will beat you and everything will be back to normal again. Also, all we're gonna say is like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button
and notification.
And we will see you guys soon. Bye.
तेरा मुखड़ा चांदा टुकड़ा वो तेरी ऐनक तेरे शू निकले करंट तेरे हाथों